Conversation 126. In introducing a friend.
Good morning, both of you. He is my friend Suresh.
Good morning. Who is he?
He is Rahul.
Good morning, Suresh.
Where are you studying, Rahul?
I am studying in St. Mary's High School.
Do you come to school by cycle?
No. I come to school on foot. What about you, Suresh?
I attend the school by bus.
Do you like to witness cricket match?
I am interested in watching one-day matches.
Very fine. We shall go to racecourse grounds to watch one-day match. Conversation 127. In a library.
Are you coming from the library?
Yes. I was there from 2 p.m.
What book are you having?
It is a book on quiz.
Are you a member of the library?
Yes. I am a member from January 2005.
Do you want to become a member?
Yes. What is the membership fee?
You must deposit Rs. 100/ only.
What is the monthly subscription?
There is no monthly subscription.
How many books can we borrow at a time?
We may borrow 3 books at a time.
Well, I will soon become a member of the library. Conversation 128. At the playground.
What is he doing with a roller?
He is leveling the ground.
What is he doing with the spade?
He is removing the grass and thorns with the spade.
Where is our P.E.T. master?
He is there giving directions to the students.
When is our sports day?
The sports day is on Saturday the 23rd of this month.
Who presides over the sports day function?
R.D.E.O. presides over the function.
Do you take part in any event?
I take part in long jump. Conversation 129. In a cricket match. Boys. Practice well today. Yes, sir. Who is our opponent? The VC High School team is our opponent. Have you taken all the bats and balls? Yes, sir. We have 4 bats and 3 balls. Do you know the ground where the match is played? It is to be played in railway ground. Go by bus and have net practice. Will you be present during our net practice? Yes. I will come. Conversation 130. Between the traffic inspector and the school student. Get down. You are on the wrong way.
Sir, I am sorry. I did not see the signal.
You must be careful in crossing the road.
Yes, sir.
Where are you studying?
I am studying in Don Bosco School.
I shall visit your school one day.
You are welcome, sir.
I will deliver a lecture on traffic rules. I shall meet your headmaster.
Okay, sir. I will inform our headmaster.
Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, like and share to channel Sreyoun in order to get more videos. Thank you.